The seasons come and go like thoughts of you.
Hi guys, I was sent this Cosori multi-cooker to review, and at first I was like, I don't know about this review thing because I'm not good at reviewing anything. And it took me a few days to take it out of the box and actually, mess around with it. But then once I used it, I was like, man, like I'm so used to using my crock pot that I was beyond impressed with this thing. Like it is so good. It's really, and I'm not telling you guys this so you can go out and purchase it. I'm telling you guys because I didn't even know something like this existed. So I was excited to say the least. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will tell you guys what I think about the product at the end. Enjoy, guys. So we're just gonna wait for this to heat up, and then I'm gonna put my meat in here. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna make a roast in here. So I'm gonna put the meat in here and brown it a little bit, and then I'm gonna let it cook down a little bit. And oh my, I'm so excited to try this out. I'm so excited. And this video is not sponsored. I was just sent this product to review, and this is the Cosori multi-cooker. So thank you guys so much for sending me this product, and I'm looking forward to using it for the first time. I will put all the link and everything down in this description bar if you guys want to try this out. But I've never used anything this fancy. Never. Like my crock pot just has one knob and it turns to high, low, medium, and warm. This is so cool, so cool. So let me get into this video. So you have your different functions. So you have your stove, which you can boil, brown, simmer, and saute. And then you have your oven option up here where you can roast and bake. You also have manual rice, yogurt, wow. And you have your high, medium, and low. I guess this is the slow cook option. And then over here just have the temperature. And then you can set the time and everything. So I'm looking forward to using this. Okay, so my pan has heated up, so I'm gonna go ahead and just spray the inner portion with some spray just to ensure that my meat does not stick. And I'm using the Pam original, so just spray a little bit of that in there. So that's what that looks like. So I'm getting ready to put my meat in here and let it brown up a little bit, and then we'll go from there. Okay, so I got my meat inside the multi-cooker, and I don't know if you guys can hear that, and that's just the sound of, like, if you were to brown this on your stove top, that you would hear. And I usually don't get this sound effect with my crock pot. So this is amazing if you're one of those people that like to get color on your meat before you slow cook it. This is a great option for you because you're able to get the meat nice and seared and get that color, and then slow cook it right in the same pot without having to dirty up another pot. So I'm gonna get my seasoning because I like to season my meat and before I slow cook it. So I'm gonna put my seasoning on here and get this roast on the way. Okay, so to change the temperature and the time, all you do is press this little button right here, and then this is the temperature. It's blinking, and you just move this dial here up and down to the desired temperature that you want. And then also for the time, you press it again and the time should illuminate or blink, if you will, and you just set it to however long you want. This is an hour, and you just hit start right there. Okay guys, so I have several different cuts of meat going right now, and these are just the stew cuts right here, and this is just regular filet that I'm also incorporating in this recipe, and I have those two going at the same time. Right now it's not sauteing because it has a lot of water inside of it, so I'm hoping that this will dry out and I will obtain the desired brownness of my meat. So yeah, this is what it's looking like, and I've also turned up the temperature on here to make sure that the liner, the pan, is getting adequate heat so that I can brown my meat properly. Okay guys, so with all the water evaporate, it's actually doing what it says that it should be doing, which is browning meat. And so I am so excited. Oh my gosh, I love to brown meat before I slow cook it. It smells so delicious. Oh my gosh, look at that. Look at that. Oh, look at the sear on these bad boys. Look at that. Ooh, that looks so good. Oh my word. So I'm gonna add the rest of my ingredients in here, and a package of slow cooking seasoning for slow cook. You guys know what I mean. To this, and then let it cook down. Cosori multi-cooker comes with a manual, and it also comes with a recipe book. Unfortunately, I can't find my recipe book. I don't know where my kids placed it, but it has some really good recipes in it that if I eventually find it, I would like to try. So yeah, it tells you how to care and also proper maintenance, and it tells you how to saute and how to roast and bake and all that, and how to set the time, also how to keep your food warm and stuff like that. So it's very important for you to read over your manual to make sure that you're using the multi-cooker properly. So now that I've got the meat brown, I'm going to switch it over from stove. So you want to cancel. Once you cancel, you're going to turn it to whatever option you want. I want it to be high, and then you're going to hit. I want it to be at a little higher. So 200 is the high, 210 is the highest on here for your slow cook option, and 4 hours is good. So I'm gonna hit start, and this is it warming up. Okay, so once I think I was a little bit confused there for a second. So once you choose your desired slow cook option here, you go over here, you set the time and the temperature, and then you have to hit start. So this button has to be on for it to start slow cooking. So make sure that you press this button and you're gonna hear it beep. If not, then you're not slow cooking. So yeah, and yeah, I don't use this rubber lid, but you can if you want a better seal, but I prefer for it to not have, because I'm getting ready to leave my house, so I don't want anything causing too much moisture and all. I don't know, this is the first time using it, so I want to take as much precaution as I can when leaving my house. I'm tempted to unplug it, but I don't know yet. I'll let you guys know what I'm gonna do. Okay guys, so this has been cooking for 3 hours now, and the meat is so tender. So tender. Oh my word, guys. Don't mind my kids. I am a mother, so they're in the background. Oh my word, look at that. Oh, so tender. I am impressed. I am impressed. Now I just need to add a little bit more water. Ooh, look at that. Look at that, guys. Look how tender that is. Ooh. Look at that. Just fall apart. Oh, look at that. So good. I am so impressed with this cooker. You guys definitely, like, it's not me to recommend something on the first try, but I'm telling you, this is the bomb. Oh my word. Oh my word. I'm gonna let this finish cook. Okay guys, so this recipe I have to add dumpling in here because I'm making stew peas, and I have to add the dumpling in here. So I also need it to boil. So what I did is I switched it from slow cook back to the stove and put it on boil, and look at this. Oh my word, it's boiling. Okay guys, so it's been a few days since I did that video on the little brown stew. I think it was brown stew something, I don't know. I was trying to make a roast and then it ended up being brown stew or something, but this is my thought on this thing. It's amazing, and I really don't say that about something that I've tried for the first time. All I know is that it's really good, and I was impressed, so much so that I wasn't able to get a clip of the actual meal because my husband just scarfed it right down. So so this is the Cosori multi-cooker, and it comes with different options that you can do, and it also comes with a rack that you can put on the inside, and you can steam your veggies or, you know, whatever. You can actually roast on here, and it's like a little oven. So I like it. I really do like this product, and I can see my family using this for a very, 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 very long time. So if you guys are interested in this product, I will leave all the information down below. And I would appreciate if you guys give this video a thumbs up and comment down below what you guys think of the Cosori, whether or not you have one, whether or not you love it. Just let me know, and we will do our interaction in the comment section. Love you guys, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.